What's up, guys? Welcome to IntelliFinance, where we talk money, markets, and mindset. Don't forget to subscribe and join the community. Ever wonder why some people get richer without working harder? It's not luck, it's assets. Today, you'll learn the truth about assets, the silent force that builds wealth while you sleep. An asset is anything that puts money in your pocket. A liability takes it out. A rental property, a dividend-paying stock, or an online business, these are assets. A car or fancy gadget? That's not an asset. It costs you every day. The rich don't just earn money, they use money to buy assets. Their goal isn't a higher paycheck, it's passive income. Every dollar has two choices: spend it and lose it, or invest it and make it grow. One income stream is risk. Multiple streams mean freedom. That's why wealthy people focus on building assets that pay them over time. Two friends, both earn the same income. One friend saves her money in the bank. Second friend invests his savings in a small online business. 5 years later, one friend's savings lost value because of inflation. Second friend business became an asset. It pays him every month even when he's not working. That's the difference between working for money and making money work for you. Assets build wealth and freedom. Freedom to choose how you live and freedom from paycheck stress. Start small. Buy one stock, create one digital product, or invest in a skill. Each small asset adds up until your money starts working harder than you do. Wealth isn't built by working harder. It's built by owning smarter. The rich don't focus on income. They focus on assets. And that's the secret power no one talks about. If you enjoyed this content, make sure to like, subscribe, and share. It really helps the channel grow.